Miranda Larkin here from Miranda Real Estate with my good friend.
Hi, I'm Sharon, and this is my family's home away from the city.
This beautiful brick federal mansion from 1818 has so many options for you and your family, not only for entertaining your loved ones, but also as a bed and breakfast or Airbnb. Beautiful central hallway, which opens up to 2 parlors. I love this front parlor. We spent so much time restoring it. The beautiful colors of Provence, France are reflected in this room. I also love spending time by myself and enjoying the tranquility. This is the second of the 2 front-facing parlors, and it can be used as a dining room for small groups or for larger gatherings as well. Notice the detailed moldings, the crown moldings that have been lovingly restored, as well as the historic fireplace. And if you join me this way, we have pocket doors, again, that have been beautifully redone, and a formal dining area. Welcome to one of my favorite rooms of the house. This beautiful kitchen has been renovated to an English country kitchen, and it has cherry wood throughout. Walk with me as we take in all of the beautiful details and finishing on the cabinets, the moldings. There's a full pantry. This first floor sitting room has been used as a bedroom, as it has a full bath directly off of this room. This is the beautiful sitting area outside of the bedroom. This is one of the 3 bedrooms in the main living quarters, and it features beautiful built-in bookcases. This is the second of the 3 bedrooms in the main living quarters, and as you notice, the beautiful wide plank original wood flooring is evident here. This is one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. Come check it out. The master bedroom is so inviting. Coming up at the end of the day, enjoying a cup of tea and relaxing in front of the beautiful historic fireplace is one of my favorite things to do. Hi! With all of this space, these beautiful closets in this changing area, you will never have to fight for storage again. Master bath, plenty of space to get ready, to do everything you need to in the morning. All has been lovingly updated. And here we are with a separate guest quarter area. The separate guest quarters are so convenient for long-term family members, renters, or Airbnb. Come on in. There is a separate kitchen, a living room, and of course, a bedroom. The bedroom is light and airy and very comfortable for 2 people. There's also a separate bath in this area, which again allows for privacy for any of your guests. The outdoor living space is so incredible. Incredible views of the Mohawk Valley. Another beautiful feature at the home are these amazing Concord grapes. Who can resist having fresh apples on your own property? Whenever I come to visit my mom, I know where she's going to be, sitting out here on the porch, whether it's daytime or evening, enjoying the beautiful sunshine, the sounds of the birds, and loving Glen.